AI. So this is copy.ai, and I'm in like 2 minutes. I'm going to create a genuine blog post for you to see how fast this is. So this is how it is. You have like say goodbye to the blank page for good. You can just sign up, write blog post 10 times faster, write higher converting post, write more engaging emails. So if you are new, you get started here, and they say it's free, but then I have an account, so I'll just log in and you see. So the system is like this, and you can use this to write a lot of things. So the purpose of this is not only for blog posts, but you can write a lot of things like you can create digital ad copy, startup tools. We have startup tools, audience refiner, brand mission. You can write like blog analogy generator. You can even like, so let me go to a template. And this is self-explanatory. You can write blog post, write blog intro, write blog outline, write blog sections. You can write discount social media bio if you want to generate your own bio and you don't know how to go about it. Share tips and knowledge. You can showcase a customer intro letter, call outreach, sales landing pages, all this, free job descriptions, all these things. You can just YouTube channel description, YouTube video description. You can use all these tools to write that. So even wedding vows, dating profile, song lyrics, even song lyrics, and stories. You can write short stories. But today we are going to write, I'm just going to showcase how to use copy.ai to write blog posts. So you just go here, go to all the templates, choose blog post wizard. And if you already have your title, that's okay. If you don't have a title, it can generate a title for you. So, and it's like simple to use. So here's the blog title. You put your blog title, and my blog title is how to make passive income. Okay, passive income ideas for beginners. So this is my blog title, and the keywords. I can copy the same thing, but I'm just going to generate some keywords. Passive income ideas. First keyword: make money online. This keywords are enough. So you choose the tone. What's the goal of your project? You want it to be friendly, luxury, relaxed, professional. Let me choose professional, and you just click generate. As simple as this is, generate. You see the magic it is going to provide. Passive income ideas that you see. So it's just generating. So you can see it has generated, and this is a blog intro. Like this is like let me say, is it sections or pages or outline? So first it's telling us, 1 is sell your photos, 2 start a YouTube channel, 3 create an online course, publish an ebook, make a phone app, sell your clothes, invest in real estate, start a blog. Perfect. This is wonderful for a blog post, right? These are the sections for the blog post. So if I'm satisfied with this, I can just do generate. If I'm not, I can delete any one of this and add my own sections. So let's generate the talking points. So we're just going to generate talking points, and you will see how this is powerful. This is powerful in a way that it's going to just give us talking points. You can see the talking points about potentially what it will discuss in the blog. So I think this is okay for me. I've been writing blog posts for other people, and I think this outline is okay. So now here's where the magic happens. We are going to generate content. Just generate content. And it's going to write a blog post, add intro, and add a conclusion to it for us to use. So you see how powerful this is. It's just going to generate in like 45 seconds. It's generating, and I think it should be done now. So then also based on, so you see, just 38 seconds, it has finished generating. So let's look at the introduction. If you are looking for a way to make money on this side, the site, passive income ideas are ideal. No matter what your skill level or interest are, there's probably a way for you to create passive income streams. Even if you are just starting out in this world of entrepreneurship, there are plenty of opportunities to extra cash. Here are some ways that might work. Wow. believe you me, with all your education, you can write this in like in 1 minute. So, and this is just the total blog. Publish an ebook, it's generated the content. Now I'm satisfied with this. I will just create a blog, and this is the blog for me. So this is a complete blog post in under like 2 minutes. So this is the blog post, and this is the conclusion. So invest in real estate. Real estate is one of the most common. Start a blog if you want. Wow. So in some few minutes, I'm done with my blog post. You can just copy it. You can tweak it, add titles, bolding some of them. But it's already giving you titles, H1 title, and H2 and all those heading 2 and stuff. You just copy this, and you send it to your WordPress or wherever you are posting this, and you have a complete blog section. So number 1, I'm done with copy.ai. So you can use copy.ai as an AI tool to create blog posts in a matter of like minutes, 5 minutes. So let's go to the second one, and there's a link to a section where you can get copy.ai. The second one we are going to talk about is writesr.me. RYTRE.me. So this is it. So it's also like you start writing. It's free forever. Upgrade as you scale. So you can start using it for free, and you upgrade as you scale. So a better 10x faster way to write interview questions, testimonials and reviews, profile bio, emails. You can see blogs, and that's my interest, blog posts. So you can use this Facebook ads, and you see this is, you can write landing pages. And let's start writing. Let's just start go inside. So this is how it is. So these are the talking points. You can generate brand names, business idea, page business ideas, call to action, copywriting, emails. You can write Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn ads, Google search ads, interview questions, post and caption ideas, product description, and all song lyrics, plots, testimonial reviews and stuff. So you can use this also to write all this. So this is also the second AI tool that we're talking about. So explore, just use it, learn more about it, and start using it to generate. If you are okay with it, then you scale, then you upgrade. I always use the free versions first, and once it's okay for me, then I upgrade to the level I want. So that's number 2. Number 3 is deep story, a tale of co-creation. So you can use this to also generate all the things that you want to generate. And you can write blog posts, you can write your like content and stuff. So number 3 is this one. So just go in, sign up, and start using that. So if you have questions, just put them in the description below. Then I will be able to attend to you. So another blog post thing you can use to write your content blog.